Hello everybody. Today we will be discussing our question number 3243, which is shortened distance after road addition query 1. So, in this question, we are given with an integer n and a 2D integer array queries where n is the city numbered from 0 to n minus 1. Initially, there is unidirectional road from city I to city I plus 1 where I belongs to 0 to n minus 1, right? Also, query of I is equal to u of v, which represent new unidirectional road from the city u to city, right? And v1. After each query, you need to find the length and the shortest path from city 0 to n minus 1. Now we have to return array answers where each I in the range 0 to query dot length I minus 1. Query I is the length of the shortest path from the city to city n minus 1. Processing the unit first I plus 1 queries. So that is the question that is given here. Now let me first understand you what our question wants to say. Let's see example number 1 in which we are given n is equal to 5 and query is equal to this. And now explanation is equal to this. You might be thinking how it came. Let me explain you. As 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. It's a path, right? It's a path and we need to find out as our query is given 2 to 4 first. Then we go from 2 to 4, right? Now, in this case, our path, shortest path would be 0 to 1, 1, 1 to 2, 1 and 2 to 4, 1. So they are 1, 2 and 3. 3 like by sum all of that we will be able to get our length of the shortest path. That means 3 here. 1, 2, 3, right? Okay. Uh, from 0 to 2, 0 to 2, then 2 to 4. Basically, our end destination is 4 now. So, here the shortest path will be 0 to 2, 1 and 2 to 4, 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is why our addition would be 2. In the last example, 0 to 4 we need to find out. So, they are only one way, right? That is why 1. So, the output would be like 3, 2, 1. Hope you understand. If not, let me explain you again with example number 2. Here n is equal to 4 and query is equal to 0 to 3 and 0 to 2. So first we have to reach from 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 there is only one path. That is why 1 is here. Now 0 to 2 there is only one path, right? 0 to 2 also. So 1. So 1 comma 1 is our output here. Okay, hope you understand. Let's start with the code also. First thing, if you are asking me about the approach of solving this question, so okay, let me explain you with first approach, right? Approach 1. Okay, in this approach we will be using Discastra algorithm. Using this Discastra's algorithm, assuming that each edge weight is 1, right? So we assume that each um, edge weight is 1, right? Also, okay, here we will be discussing time complexity and space complexity later after writing the code. Okay. Okay, now let's start with the code. Yeah, first what we have to do is wait, a public, and then yes, we have to hashtag define p pair int. First we are defining the pair and unordered map. Put them into an unordered map. Okay. Int vector p. Okay. P agency list. Okay. Here what we have to do is int. Okay, wait. Yes. Hmm. So whatever I have initialize d with pq.top.first, this basically represents the distance of the first node, right? And after that we have to take another variable named as node, in which pq.top dot second second. Yeah, here it represents the current node, correct? Okay, then pq dot pop. Okay, done. After this what we have to do is we have to take an for loop in which p and uh, second p, okay, address of p. Then we have to take in the adjacent node. Okay, yes. Take a variable named as adjacent node, right? uh, p dot first, and take another variable named as dist, which represents the p dot second. Then take a if loop d plus dist, right? if it is smaller than the result of the adjacent node, right? In that case, result of that adjacent node is equal to d plus dist, right? Of course, then pq, we have to push that into d plus dist and node. Okay, wait, I have, okay, I have to, so after this, what we have to do is, we have to, is there any mistake in the code? Wait, let me check. Okay, no, we have to return the result of n minus 1, right? And yes, okay. After this, what we have to write is, we have to take a vector named as result, right, which we have used above, taking a for loop int I equals to 0 and I of n, initialize I. Then what we have to do is HC of I dot push back of we can take I plus 1 and 1, right? There's one mistake, I think. Okay, here we have to do this. Okay, yeah, okay. Then what we have to do is, we have to take another for loop named as queries, and take a variable u named as query of 0, and take a variable v which represents query of 1, right? Then we have to take HC of u dot push back, right? V my u, right? Okay, another variable named as d castra. Wait, I wrote the, yes, of n, right? And now we have to print the result. Push back of d, right? And now at last we have to return the result. Hope we will be able to pass all the test cases. And in my GitHub link, which I mentioned in the description, both there are also one more approach for solving this question, which I think can help you. Okay, in the 7th line, there is an error. P unordered. Okay, I think, let me just write it again. Maybe there's some error. Unordered map int of a vector p and agents. Okay, okay, wait. Now let me try to run this. Again an error. Take P then. No. Okay, defining. Okay, I have defined P as. Now I think we will be able to pass the test cases. Again one error. For the 17th line, P of P. It's my mistake. Still mistake. Okay. Here, what? Okay. Yes. Here, what is the, I think, here. Result of adjacent node, right? What's the mistake there? Okay, so they are told that the heap buffer overflow. Okay, just wait. Also, I forgot to mention two main conditions. If node um I think if node is equals to n minus 1, okay, right, then we have to return result n minus 1 if d is greater than result of node, then we have to continue. Right, I think now it's all good. Okay, it's accepted. So yeah, that's about this video. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and if you have any doubts, leave a comment. I will try to reply you as far as possible. Thank you so much.